Hello, everyone. Today is the saddest day. It's been almost 3 days. We have no electricity. My poor fish hold to the last minute. Right now, he's dying. We tried, but the water temperature is low 50s. It's very sad that we never have our power back since the power goes out. Since Tuesday morning. What was it, like 30 hours almost? Now my fish have no oxygen, no heat. This one is probably gonna die in a couple minutes. That's my Brucey. My poor my Scarface over there grasping for air. I have a little bit battery backup that gave him some air, but not for long. They're not gonna make it. This is Puffy. He used to be so swimming, healthy. So power distribution was not on. We never had the power rolling to us, which is something messed up in the system. These guys have to pay for it, and I have to pay for it. It's sad we don't have any secure power line that we should have some sort of backup plan or something. Yeah, some people say, yeah, why? Why are we so worried about just a power outage? You can stay in the home and get warm, it's fine, but there's a lot of lives lost. Everything. It's not easy to see your pet hold on to the last minute of their breath, and every hour, every minute is different. Every hour, every minute, it's watching them die. It's not easy. So I hope there's some answer to this.